Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find username settings on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. First click here, now click settings and now click account information, and here as you see you will find username settings. You can here change it if you want, and that's it. That's how to find username settings on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.